Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is our first video, so excuse the recording mistakes where I might pan the wrong way because still getting used to how this gimbal works, and we're only using my phone today. But we plan on using real cameras eventually, and this thing's really not cooperating with me. It keeps wanting to turn. It keeps wanting to cut our ear off.
It's done.
So it's going to be a learning experience. Bear with us. But today we are going to go for a hike at our favorite hiking spot.
With geese and babies.
Metro Beach. So we're learning. I'm learning. Bear with us. It'll be, now we're using the face tracking, so we're learning about that. So it's working a little bit better now. At least it's staying still. RA is either going to always be either too short or too tall.
Yeah, probably. I can't. I'm not tall. I'm not tall.
But anyways, we have a lot of fun stuff planned this summer. We're going to be bringing you all along with us.
But it's not summer yet.
Not yet. This is practice, so that way by the time summer comes, maybe I'll be better with this. Lots of geese here at this park.
And
and all the birds out there.
Also, one day it was actually these geese were like attacking us or something. Where are we going? I don't even know where we're going. We're trying to
Watch out for goose poop.
Oh, yeah. Ow, where's it? Oh. Marsh trail, mellowed, locked.
If I can get the gimbal to actually focus where I want it to, we'll be fine. Yeah, the meadow loop is the one that's usually underwater, ironically.
What's in the water is here. What if we take this trail? It's still muddy, Dad.
Yeah, I know. It always is.
It's always gonna be mud.
Maybe one of these days we'll get to go down it. I don't think this trail ever dries out.
It's just a shortcut.
No, it's a longer cut actually.
This feels stiff. This isn't falling like muddy puddle. Mild.
Watch out for the stick that's going to spring back that I'm caught on. Keep going, just follow the edge.
And watch out for poop right there.
Thanks. Good looking out.
Mansion glory.
This might be the end of the line right here, which kind of stinks because it looks like it gets turned into the grass once you get past this part, but I don't see us getting past this part.
Oh, yes, you do. looks weird.
Why?
Because it's just full of trees and stuff they haven't sold before.
And grass?
Yeah. It's kind of weird looking at grass.
You think you can walk up on it? Walk out onto it. Hold Rosie for me.
Buckaroo.
She's fine. What do you mean, ow?
That hurt. Where do you want me to go? Right here?
Yeah, you can't walk any further than that.
It was easy to climb because these are like rocks.
Yeah, like little steps.
I'm afraid to see
Oh, all these crazy trees over here. We've been to this park many times, but we've never come down this trail.
because it was always muddy.
Oh, yeah. We ain't gonna make it through this way.
I'm coming, Bob. Bob.
There's the bridge right there too.
Well, this is easy.
It's all water. It's not easy.
Walk on the side.
It's all water. It's all wet though. It's all water. And none of that. We're not gonna get through here without getting wet.
Whatever.
Not gonna happen. Here we got some baby geese.
They're so cute though. How could those little cuties hurt us? You know, how could such cuties hurt us? I'm sorry, Mrs. or Mr. I feel. Now look, there's a swan over there.
Now we just did have to reveal a whole bunch more. Must have been the mama goose keeping them safe. Bunch of goose poop on the trail. It's gotten kind of chilly out here. All these clouds came in.
I wonder if they can hear the wind.
I'm sure they can.
Because we don't have a microphone. Okay, so
Yeah, it's getting really windy and really chilly.
Oh, I'm back.
So I've seen this thing attack geese before. Are you gonna let us walk by, bud?
I think he's giving himself a shower. It should be self-care.
Yeah, but I don't want him to turn around and attack us. He knows we're here, right? So let's just... Come on. Alright, we got past him. Now we got this goose up here. Poop everywhere. That's the path that will take you to the boardwalk to get to the lake. If you look out there, off on the horizon, that's where the lake is, behind that row of trees out there. The lake is just right back there. Maybe we'll take a drive out there to the lake before we leave and show it to you. So here's the lake. We're just sitting in the car. I didn't want to get out because it's really windy out there and it would really muffle the sound. So we're just pulled the car up to the edge of the lake, Lake St. Clair. You can see some parasailers and kiteboarders going around out there. Perfect day for it with this wind.
And the waves.
You can see some of the waves crashing up on the shore right here.
There's like a flood on the parking lot over there.
Some pretty crazy waves going on though.
I wonder if our car's wet.
So yeah, we're gonna go out there and take some pictures with the camera.
Will they be able to see the pictures though?
Yeah, I'll edit them in. But for those of you that maybe different parts of the country that might be watching this, I wanted to show you. I'll zoom in here. If you look out there in the distance, there's downtown Detroit way out there. It's the Renaissance Center. Centered in the frame right there. And other buildings off to the side over here. Way out there. I don't know how many miles away that is.
Count.
I'll edit that in when I can look it up. Oh, focus went all out. Like I said, I am in the car, so the windshield could be messing up the focus. 8 Mile Road is the border of Detroit. Oh, look at that guy just flying.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Looks like there are some pretty big waves coming up there.
Get me in here! Get me! That was my nightmare! Those waves playing.
Did they get you? The guy didn't get you as good as the one, though, did it?
Did you see it?
Alright, well, there you have it. There's our first video. Kind of, like I said, it's a learning curve. We're getting the hang of it. Trying to get the hang of how this gimbal works. That was our first trip there to the Metro Beach. Aria, you got anything to add? Is that a no?
Yes, I do.
Okay, we'll add it.
I had a fun day today. That's what I wanted to add. That's what I wanted to add.
Okay, I guess that's all she had to add. Alright, well, see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.
Please. Please.